Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram old chats not loading problem. So when you are going any chats on Instagram, you can see this kind of loading problem. So if you are also into the same situation, then follow the steps suggested in this video and you can easily fix the problem. So for that, what you need to do is first restart your device once. So for that, press the volume up plus power button and then click on restart. So after restarting, now check if the old chats are loading or not. If not, what you need to do is simply hold the Instagram icon over here, then click on app info. Now click on force stop and then click on OK. After that, check if the old chats are loading or not. If not, then click on storage and cache option and then click on clear cache. So after clearing the cache, now check if Instagram old chats are loading or not. If not, you should also check if the app needs any update. For that, go to Google Play Store. Now in the search option, search for Instagram app, and here you should check if there is any update available. If any update is there, you have to update your Instagram to the latest version, and after that open and check if the old chats are loading or not. If not, after trying all the methods, hopefully the loading problem that you are facing in the chats will be resolved. If you still face the same problem, then what you need to do is you have to take the help from the support team. So for that, open Instagram. Now go below and click on the help section over here and then click on report a problem, then click on report problem, then and here you have to explain whatever the issue you are coming across. If you have taken any screenshot over here of that the Instagram chats are not loading, you can simply upload it from here. After uploading it, explain the issue whatever you are facing and send it to the support team. So this will help you to fix the problem. The support team will help you to fix the problem you are coming across. You have to wait for some time unless you get a response from the support team. So by this way, you can easily fix the old chats are not loading problem on Instagram. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.